Understanding the legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet. Understanding the legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet. Introduction. The Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet, also known as the Complete Encyclopedia of Great Viet, was a monumental encyclopedic work compiled during the reign of Emperor Lê Tôn Thong in the 15th century. Apart from its extensive coverage of various subjects, the encyclopedia also provides valuable insights into the legal system of that time. This article aims to shed light on the legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet and deepen our understanding of this historical period. Development of legal system. During the Lê dynasty, the legal system in Vietnam underwent significant developments. Emperor Lê Tôn Thong sought to establish a comprehensive legal framework that would bring about stability and order to the nation. To achieve this, he initiated the compilation of the Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet, which aimed to consolidate the knowledge and wisdom of the time into one authoritative source. Structure of legal system. The legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet was based on Confucian principles, as Vietnam, like many other East Asian countries, was heavily influenced by Confucianism. Confucianism emphasized the importance of social order, hierarchy, and harmonious relationships between individuals and the state. The Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet classified legal matters into different categories, including civil, criminal, administrative, and military law. Each area had its own set of regulations and procedures to ensure justice and maintain social harmony. Civil law. Civil law in Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet dealt with disputes arising among individuals or between individuals and the state. It covered various aspects, including property rights, contracts, marriage, and inheritance. Disputes were settled through mediation or court proceedings, depending on the nature and severity of the case. Criminal law. Criminal law in Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet aimed to deter and punish individuals who violated the established laws and regulations. Crimes were categorized into different levels of severity, ranging from minor offenses to major crimes. Punishments for criminal offenses included fines, physical punishments, and in some cases, even death penalty. Rehabilitation and reintegration into society were also considered in the legal system. Administrative law. Administrative law in Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet focused on governing the functioning of the government and its officials. It aimed to ensure that public administration was done in a fair and just manner. The legal system outlined the duties and responsibilities of government officials, as well as the procedures for public service and the resolution of administrative disputes. Military law. The legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet also encompassed military law, which governed the conduct of armed forces and regulated military affairs. It set out rules and regulations for recruitment, training, discipline, and conduct during wartime. Military laws were essential for maintaining order within the armed forces and protecting the sovereignty and security of the nation. Legal procedures and enforcement. Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet provided detailed descriptions of legal procedures and enforcement mechanisms. The legal process involved the examination and evaluation of evidence, witness testimonies, and the presentation of arguments by both parties. Judgments were made based on the principles of fairness, reason, and the established laws. For enforcement, local officials and authorities were responsible for implementing and upholding the judgments. Punishments, including fines and physical punishments, were carried out according to the severity of the offense and the applicable laws. The legal system promoted the idea of rehabilitation and reformation, aiming to reintegrate offenders into society after serving their punishments. Implications and legacy. The legal system of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet showed a sophisticated understanding of governance and the importance of law in maintaining social order. It reflected the prevailing Confucian values of the time and provided guidelines for the administration of justice in various spheres of society. The compilation of Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet and the establishment of a comprehensive legal framework marked a significant milestone in the development of the legal system in Vietnam. It displayed the efforts of the Lê dynasty to create a just and orderly society, where individuals were governed by a set of rules and regulations. With the compilation of the Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet, a comprehensive legal system was developed in Vietnam during the 15th century. This legal system was built upon Confucian principles, which emphasized social order and harmonious relationships. It encompassed civil, criminal, administrative, and military law, each with its own set of regulations and procedures. Civil law in Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet focused on resolving disputes between individuals or between individuals and the state. This included matters such as property rights, contracts, marriage, and inheritance. Disputes were settled through mediation or court proceedings, depending on the severity of the case. Criminal law aimed to deter and punish individuals who violated established laws. Crimes were categorized based on severity, with punishments ranging from fines to physical punishments, and sometimes even the death penalty. Rehabilitation and reintegration were also considered as part of the legal system. Administrative law governed the functioning of the government and its officials, ensuring fair public administration. It outlined the duties and responsibilities of officials, as well as procedures for public service and the resolution of administrative disputes. Military law regulated the conduct of armed forces and set rules for recruitment, training, discipline, and conduct during wartime. It played a crucial role in maintaining order and protecting the nation's sovereignty and security. Bach khoa toan thu Dai Viet provided detailed descriptions of legal procedures and enforcement mechanisms. The legal process involved the examination of evidence, witness testimonies, and arguments presented by both parties. Judgments were made based on fairness, reason, and the established laws.